this is me on most of a car track. It's not gonna be much movement. And when you hit this red dial button right here, it makes boom boom. Like that. It does all this. And then the car keeps going crazy. And then when you use the force, and then you use this. Okay, that failed big time. When you use the force like this, and then you use two buttons, I'm trying to get it, but something broke. They were doing some awesomely funny stupid things in there. And once you probably BAM! Oh! Going down, went on the floor. It happened so fast, it was crazy. And that's the magic of this super track. Peace, that's it. That's it.
The car's going backwards.
And it just keeps going forward. Wayne got hit earlier pretty bad in the stomach. Bam! So he got hit in the stomach like real fast motion, but it was pretty funny. Was that right, William? Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you heard it?
Bam! Oh, my stomach. And he got wiped out. Woo! In my car right here, this car is too awesome for this track and it doesn't fail every single time. That's when I put it on the first test drive. Look at that, just keep going. Oh, see, every time we put the stupid car master, oh, you're knocking it off. Yep, see, Liz is like, whoop, 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 whoop. And that concludes this race tutorial for the Super